In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to turn on and off of fields in attribute table of ArcGIS. So in ArcGIS, I have this data. If I right click here and open the attribute table, we can see different fields that I have here. Turning on and off of attribute table field is very useful, especially during data cleaning, when you want to off some field so that you can concentrate on the one you are working on. So to turn off any of these fields, what to do is that you come to the top of the field you want to turn off. For example, let's turn off this one. Right click and see turn off field. When you click on it, you can see that that field has disappeared. So instead of deleting it, it's just a matter of turning it off so that when you need it again, you can on it and restore it. So another way of doing it is that, for example, if you want to turn off this field, right click it, come to properties, then you see under display, check this turn off. So when you turn it off and click on OK, you can see that that feed also has disappeared. So any of the feed you are interested in turning off, just right click and click on turn off, so it will disappear from the view. So if you want to restore it, it's a matter of coming to these feed options. Click on feed options and you see turn on all feed, that is turn all feed on. So click on it. So all the feed you previously turned off will come back. So this is how to turn off and on of field in ArcGIS attribute table. Like this video and subscribe. Thank you.